Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox and review, as you can see, the Staedtler Mars Lumograph pencils. So let's get started. As you can see, I have the Staedtler pencils in front of me. Before I bought these pencils, I used these Artline pencils which are ₹70 and the Staedtler pencils are around 670 rupees. But the Artline pencils worked really well. I haven't tried these Staedtler pencils yet, so let's see which one is more better. Now without wasting much time, let's open it. As you can see, they are blue in color and have 6 grades: HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B and 8B. Now let's compare the Staedtler pencils and the Artline pencils. So let me take a piece of paper. We take the HB and the Artline pencils. As you can see, they are of the same size. Now let's compare. See, the Staedtler pencil are more smoother than the Artline pencil, but they are almost identical. You can't even differentiate between these two if I hadn't told you. So according to my opinion, both are good in its own way, but the Staedtler gives a smooth and artistic look to your drawing. Now if you have a higher budget, you can go for the Staedtler pencils, and if you have a lower budget, you can go for the Artline pencils. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.